Hey fashionistas, welcome back to Salem Fashion YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to sew a side pocket, so watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, to begin this tutorial, you're going to be needing the front piece of your pants, okay? Because pockets are usually installed on the front pattern. So this is my front pattern. Here is the side front and this is the side back, which is the crouch extension point, okay? Now, this is the fabric that I'm going to be using for my pocket. Both the pocket, main pocket, and the facing or the lining piece is cut together, okay? I'm just going to show you an easy method of fixing a pocket. Now, the length of this fabric from here to here is 17 inches and the width is 13 inches, okay? I'm going to take my pocket pieces like this, like you see me do, and I'm going to spread it out just the way you see me do. Then I'm also going to take my pants pieces and place it on top, okay? Right sides are going to face each other. Just place it on top like so. The right side are going to face each other, okay? So after placing it, I'm going to go ahead and pin it down, okay? So I have gone ahead to pin it down, as you can see. Now what we're going to do on this side, remember that this side is my side front, okay? Because the pocket is by the side. This is my crouch extension line. Now after placing my fabric on top of each other, I am going to come in on this part by 1.5 inches. Then I'm going to come down by 7.5 inches, like so. So here I came in by 1.5 inches and I came down here by 7.5 inches. Now I'm going to connect this point to this point slantly, and then we're going to take this to the sewing machine now and run a stitch right here. So after sewing it, just go ahead and trim it off, but just leave a little allowance like you see right here, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and top stitch. And to top stitch, you're going to be sewing it to lay on top of the pocket fabric, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and top stitch very closely to the thread that I just sewed. So after top stitching, this is what you are going to have, okay? It's going to be looking like this, okay? So next, you're going to flip it over. You're going to flip it over and stitch by 1/4 of an inch on top of your main pants pieces, okay? You're going to top stitch on top of it again. So this is what you're going to have, okay? This is the outer part where your hand is going to pass through from the outside. You have to top stitch that part, okay? So this is what we just did right now. Now, this is my trouser pieces and this is the lining part. What we're going to do is I'm going to flip it over like this and I'm going to pick this pocket piece. You can see that it is 2 now, and I'm going to sew it, okay? Just flip it over on top of each other like this, and then we go ahead and sew it by 1/4 of an inch. This is what you should have looking right now. What we're going to do next is to go ahead and turn this out like so, and stitch on top of this part from the outside. This is what it is going to be looking like after you are done with all the stitching. You're going to have something like this. Now just go ahead and turn this part out like so. You can see that the wrong side is now facing the other wrong side. Can you see? This is what your pocket is going to be looking like. Can you see that? So after flipping it, this is what your pocket is going to be looking like after you are done, okay? We're going to still take this to the sewing machine and stitch this part down just by a very, very tiny allowance, okay? Just stitch it down just to hold down the pocket and the main fabric together. From this point here, where your pocket opening starts from, just stitch it down. And then as well, on the upper parts here, we're also going to go ahead and run a straight stitch to hold this part together, okay? So guys, I am done stitching my pocket, as you can see. So this is what you are going to have. This part is being stitched and this upper part is also stitched as well, and this is our pocket inside here, okay? So this is where your hand is going to go in through. So this is the opening. As you can see, guys, this is how our pocket is looking. So that is it for this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like, and also share this video with your friends. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.